And today we'll see how to use a offset. We have in Salesforce, we have limit, we have limit to, and we have offset event. So offset is nothing but a how many records to be skipped. Offset is nothing but a how many records to be skipped. Select ID comma name from account order by name limit 20. Now it will return 20 records, right? What is meant by offset? Offset is nothing but how many records to be skipped. Consider that if I want to skip the first 4 records, 1, 2, 3, 4, then what about my first record if I skip 20 records in offset? So if I skip 4 records, now the output will come from Villas of Noida. Execute. Villas of Noida. So offset is nothing but a number of records to be skipped. Offset is nothing but a number of records to be skipped. Okay? We'll see how to do in a page nation. All I wanted to display my account records with 444. I don't want to display everything. I wanted to display 4 records in a table. Okay? Standard controller, account, extensions, nation, save. So no class, I'm just creating a class in the standard method. Now I'm just defining my constructor with a list of accounts, right? We will get list of accounts to display. Account, EACC list, and everything it goes in properties because we need to refer in VisualForce pages. Now if I see EACC list equal to, all I'm just querying, nothing much I'm doing. Select ID comma name comma phone from account. Okay, select ID comma name comma phone from account. Expected list list public spelling. Now I'm just taking one page block, apex form, apex page block, apex page block section, apex page block table, right? Okay, I forgot this value. What is variable pair? Apex page block table, value var. Okay, value equal to ACC list, var equal to ACC. Now apex column value ACC dot name, ACC dot phone. See now how many it will return multiple records. Now you can see there are multiple records. Now I want to display 4 records. I wanted to display 4 records. Okay. Apex page block button, apex page block, command button, sorry, command button, value, next. Value previous, location equal to bottom. Now I wanted to display first four records. First four records in the sense, what could be the limit? Limit equal to 4, right? And offset for a first try, offset equal to 0, right? Offset equal to 0, save. Now whenever I click a next, whenever I click a next, one minute, the patterns to be shifted. Whenever I click a next, it need to call. What need to be called? The next offset. I mean, what could be the offset on click of next for a first time? 4. Right? Yeah. Now here I need to declare my offset variable as a integer. Public static integer OFF offset VR equal to Z. Okay, set. And here I don't want to worry, even I can declare 0 directly, because I'm not going to use this offset var in VisualForce page. Now I need to declare my page method. Public void next method 1, and I want it to have a previous method. Previous method. What next method need to be do? How offset variable need to increase the value? Offset equal to offset plus limit, right? What is our limit here? 4. So this is our query. And what about previous method? Previous will do. Previous means previous record. So instead of +4, we need to have a -4. So now, how to query? ACC list. Same query will do. Instead of offset, we need to pass which value? Reference. See. If I click next, what could be the... Now let me put order by. Then only we'll understand. Order by name. Okay. Now I'll execute this query in another window. To get what, are we getting proper data or not, just for a checking purpose. Okay, I'm just taking off limits I'm taking off, execute. The first one is ACC U2, ACC V2 need to be coming, right? And what could be our fifth record from this matter, from this one? What is fifth record? Noida. So if I click Noida to demo VF is the limit, right? What happened? Okay, I didn't call next method, sorry. Action, not here. Reaction. Reaction. What is our next record? What happened? Offset must be non-negative value. Okay. 1 minute. There is the issue. Villas of Noida. Offset equal to offset plus variable. Okay. Next. Okay. Oh, offset equal to offset plus. It is taking that value, but it is not considering public static only, right? On static. Variable does not exist. Guys. So what happening if you observe this one, on click of anything, it is taking 4. It is not going forward. It is not, there is no incremental. And without this one, I equal to offset plus 4. That means every time offset is considering as a 0 on click of this one. Even though it is a static and still it is considering okay. So we can fix this one. We can fix this one. VisualForce page 5. So yesterday we used a parent tag, you remember? Command link. Apex. For loop for what? Why you need for loop? Why you need for loop? This one? No, why you need for loop? Here we are just querying, that's it. We are not doing any for loops, right? All we need to have it. Iteration for what? No. See, you need to understand what is the offset value, right? That from where you will get offset value. That you will not able to get, right? That's another question. No, my internet is not working. I just connected from mobile net yesterday and today. I'll connect. No, it's connected from mobile net. Yeah, I have. Name plus 4 equal to offset variable. Control C. Name -4. Control C. Variable does not exist. Okay. This is like integer string. Always these offsets will pass strings. Okay, we need to have integer dot value of string integer dot value of. Now you can see it was extended, right? Previous command button. Yes. Now you can see. What is this? previous method argument cannot be null. So null pointer exception is coming up. Argument cannot be null in the previous method line 19 in column 1. Account as a previous line number 19. Why it is stateful memory is not coming up? If I click this one, what is the I value it is printing? Next 8, 12, 16. If I click previous, it should come this one. But the issue is going with integer.name.value of. Where is I am getting? Okay. Now, if I click integer.value, I value is already 16, so if I put I minus 4 is fine, right? Then why it is not considering I minus 4? Previous. This is okay, this is expected. If I go next 4, if I go previous, yes, got it. Okay, I got it. No, actually I didn't maintain this view state. The view state I need to create variable I. I need to have a variable which will hold my data I. Now it is 0. Before what happening? This is not holding my state. Yeah, by default will come. We need to maintain this view state. We need to set get and set properties. Otherwise it will not capture. Now previous, go back to the, this will not refresh if you open. Again you need to go back and you need to come and you need to check out. Yeah, now it is 4. Okay. So the pagination always works with two methods. Ensure that we need to have the offset variable is nothing but how many records to be skipped. Offset variable is nothing but how many variables to be skipped. Okay.